We got really lucky, in this game. Our import was in foul trouble for most of the second half. Played very little minutes and fouled out. So we were really having problems matching up with their import, especially at the low post. Aside from that, they were hitting their three-point shots, and that gave us a lot of problems. We doubled the big man, but they were making their three-point shots on the kickouts. So it was really a complicated situation for us. So it's really just fortunate that they made a turnover, or they made a bad pass in the last play. So if it would have gone into overtime, I think it would be really difficult to win this game. So we just kept fighting back, even if the import wasn't able to help us much during the game. And I think it's also going to be a big lesson for the import to just play a little smarter, keeping away from those fouls.
Coach, nakita mo yung sitwasyon ng 3-1 kayo
Well, yeah, we're 3-1. I think we might be tied for second place. I also believe that we should have won the game against Alaska. So dapat siguro 4-0 kami. We just try to keep positive and just build up our confidence. Kung hindi ka mag-iisip na magaling ka, mas maraming gagaling sa'yo eh. So, it's really a big win in terms of bringing us back into the upper half of the standings. And yun nga, you cannot take any team in this league for granted. So Air 21 is a strong and dangerous team, and we just almost paid for our mistakes, especially the import getting into foul trouble. But to be in second place is a good feeling. We came from a big win against San Mig, but one night you're playing well, the next night you're playing badly. That's how it is. Swerte kami, nakalusot kami sa game na to. Thank you.